Good morning, friends. So we woke up to the snow in the morning and it looks beautiful again. So this is how it looks again early in the actually it started last night, but I don't know when it started and now it's snowing and now it's stopped, but the snow looks like this. I'll turn around the camera and show you also a little bit here and there. So here it looks after I rotate it, like I cannot rotate it much because I only have one window in the house. These apartments have less windows too, so. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing fine on this gloomy weather day actually. So friends, just a request, if you have not yet liked my channel, please like it, share it and subscribe. And that gives me so much of motivation when people comment and let me know. I feel so happy and I feel great. So consider subscribing it. This is my humble request. Okay friends, today I'll be sharing a nice recipe on this day which I just cooked and my family all loved it, and my kiddos wanted to eat some burger in some restaurant, but then I said no, we are not going to a restaurant still, and they were craving for some nice chilli restaurant or going and having a nice burger, but then I said no way, and I said let's try something new. And this was my first time trying it out and I really loved it, and I just boiled some potatoes and I've kept, and let's get into my kitchen. So here I have boiled the potatoes and I've already kept them and they are very cool. So I'll just peel off these in and keep it aside. I feel comfortable doing crushing it with my hands, so I've crushed here very well. So now we'll just make it into more nice crushing, and we'll see to it that it blends well. I've taken all-purpose flour so that it becomes nice and crispy. Just add little like it just binds it. So here I'm putting some spices. I'm putting turmeric. I'm putting some black pepper. Now I'm adding half spoon of salt. Now I'm adding half spoon of paprika powder. It's not that spicy, but it will give a good color. Kept it on medium heat now. So we'll just invert it and shift its position from up to down. You can actually use this one. I'm used to doing cooking like this. So it's easy for me to do it without using a spatula. So they're looking halfway done. So they'll be cooked in another 3 or 4 minutes. But keep just putting upside down and all, so that we can know when it's got cooked well. This looks done, and I'll show you how to put it in the burger as a patty and eat as a burger, as a vegetarian burger patty. And if anybody wants to go meatless, this is the best patty which they can make at their house and enjoy their burger. Chutney bun, and this is, I bought this from Walmart, and I'll just roast them well. So this is the pudina chutney. It says it's mint chutney actually. I bought it from the Indian stores, and we have around 5 cups it says. So these are really good when you want to make it a dip and eat it with them. Now I toasted it. Now I'll put it in and just rub it all over the bun. So this is almost ready to get cooked, and it's almost kept. Now you can add your own choice of your condiments or whatever you want to put. My children and me like it like this, so I'll just cover it. Have the first bite. So here I have made one more and showing you. And here I put the patty with the ranch. Here it goes, and I cover it up. Here, enjoy the burger. This looks the best presentation. Here, enjoy. That was just the bottom part and it came reversed, but this is how it looks. Enjoy. So friends, you saw how easy and yummy and delicious it looked, and it really tasted heaven actually. The house was smelling so good. It was so tasty. My children wanted more, 2 or 3 burgers at a time, but then I said, no, it's not healthy. And we had some leftovers, lentils and rice. And actually, we had kidney beans as lentils. And then we just had of that leftovers, whatever was there as leftovers. I finished it all. And this is how it was, so yummy, so tasty and delicious. And we never felt that we are not have gone to a restaurant from a long time, from when all this COVID started and came out so well. And it was interesting to make at home with very little oil, and just made it great, and it was yum. So friends, try it out, and if you have made it at your home, share your pictures on all my other media, on the social media. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. So I know, can't wait for Christmas to come. Christmas will be so different this year without not having any family and friends over to the house. So everything will be okay. But it's such a good news and relief that we have got the vaccine for COVID. So hope everybody takes it and feels good, and this COVID just ends forever, friends. So that is the thing. And yeah, one more request, friends. One of my friends on TikTok wanted to know which nail color did I apply. So here I'm sharing it. So this is Sally Hassan Diamond Strength, no chip, no nail color. So it is a no chip one, and it looks like this. I hope you all can see, and no much light is shown. So and the name of it is Divine Dahlia. I hope you all can see this also, Divine Dahlia. So this is the nail color which I used, and I love the shade. This is one of my favorite, and many people have asked me what lipstick do I use. My lipstick is Revlon, and I have shared this many times. It's 510, and this is the flavor called Berry Rich, and my lipstick is almost finishing. It's a Revlon brand. It's almost done. As you all can see, I'm left out with very little. I think I'll have to buy a new shade, but I don't know if I will get the shade or no. And it's Revlon, and it is there on the internet, on Walmart site. Amazon also carries. So this is the brand Revlon. So I hope whoever have asked me will be benefited, but I don't have the second shade, and I should have bought 2 or 3 of this kind, but because of this COVID, I have not done any cosmetic shopping. So once I go, I'll be buying all the cosmetics, which and all I'm finishing off, and hope I find this color because everybody likes this color on me. So okay, friends, take care. Okay, bye, love you all, thanks for watching.